Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register JBL product for warranty in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on support.jbl.com/product registration page. Now, when you are here on this particular page, you need to simply provide your details. It includes providing your email address, your first name, last name, then select where did you buy your product. So when you click on this drop down menu, you will find bunch of different options like Harman online store, online websites, and offline retail stores. So after selecting the option, you just have to simply select the date of purchase. Afterwards, you need to provide the serial number, the product, and select the color and the version of it. Now here, when you scroll down even further, you will see this choose file option. So over here, you need to provide or upload the proof of purchase. So you need to simply upload the photo, then select the name of the seller as per the invoice and your total invoice amount. Afterwards, simply set a strong password for your account for future logins, and then you just have to click on the option of get registered in the bottom. So once this is done, your JBL product will be linked to your account for easier support access. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.